teaching you the Bizkaia Jota. So this is a three-part Jota, and the first one I learned. Okay, so the first step is you're going to take your right foot and you're going to put your toe on the ground, and then you're going to lift it up, and then you will 1, 2, 3. So it's like toe up, down most of the way. 1, 2, 3. Toe point, 1, 2, 3. Toe point, 1, 2, 3. I'll show you that from the back. Okay. So on your toes, toe point, 1, 2, 3. Toe point, 1, 2, 3. Toe point, 1, 2, 3. And on the side, toe point, 1, 2, 3. 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 Starting with the right foot, you'll do that 7 times. And so you'll end on your right foot, and you will turn left. No pauses, just turn. So 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3. So you'll go to the left first, and then you'll go back and forth 7 times, and you will turn right. And then you will step across 1, 2, 3, turn 7 times. So starting going right, turn, left, cross, 1, 2, 3, turn. And you'll end up going right and turning left. And then you'll restart, toe up, 1, 2, 3, toe up, 1, 2, 3. If the toe up thing is too hard for you, you could also touch your foot to the side and kick. You have to do that the same amount of times as you do the toe up. Okay, so now we're going to do it with music. Unfortunately, my music only goes once through, so we'll just do it once through. Okay guys, that's it. Great job. Thank you guys so much for watching. Make sure you check out my other videos.